Now I have these two PDF documents, this one and this one. I want to merge them so that they appear as one continuous document. I want them to be merged together. So for me to be able to do that, what I need to do, go to I Love PDF website, as you can see here. And from here, this is a free online tool that you can use to perform several tasks. So one of them is merging PDF documents. Under merge PDF document, you can see you have given an option to combine PDF in order you want with the easiest PDF merger available. So click on merge PDF and then select the PDF files or just drop them here. So here we shall go to the PDF documents and then we drop them here one by one. Go to the next, also drop it here. So as you can see, they are dropped and you can interchange them the way you want according to the order. The first one should appear the first and the second one should appear the second. So now this becomes two documents. So for us to be able to merge these two, once you have uploaded them, just click here on merge PDF and let the tool do the magic. It's done. So once it's done, you can click here on download. And now we have our documents downloaded. So here they are. Let's open. So you can see this is the first page. The first page is here. So you can see now this is the first page and this is now the second page. So the two documents have been merged all together. That is it. That's the simplest way you can use to merge your documents. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a wonderful time. Thanks for watching.